The script traces the Tesla Model S from its 2008 debut to the present, showing how it redefined electric luxury. Recent updates include a refreshed interior, longer range variants, faster charging, and autopilot enhancements that shape daily driving. Industry analysts credit the Model S with forcing rivals to electrify, upgrade software, and rethink dealer and service models. But the road isn't flawless, confronting supply chain hiccups, price pressure, and ongoing debates about full self-driving safety. By blending archival milestones with latest headlines, this episode reveals how a single sedan reshaped an industry.